Good morning to all. Today our topic is theme of death in The Outsider. The novel Outsider, in that the topic theme of death is very important from the examination point of view. In the apparent study that we are not able to find anything that it is a hidden theme into the book. Although all the events in the novel revolves around death, and in the very beginning आप देखेंगे death is an important theme in the novel. As the novel begins, किसके साथ start होता है? The novel begins with Maman's death. Maman, who is the mother of Morso. In the beginning, Morso, he just take the leave from the office and he is going to attend the funeral of his mother. And there at the funeral, he meet with the peoples who are there, who are expressing their grief at the death of the mother. But still, more so, he is not representing anything, he is not expressing his emotion. वो अपने भावों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखा रहा, ना वो रो रहा है. Rather, he is thinking about the emotions of the other people. He is looking at Praj. The Praj was weeping और उसे लग रहा है why he is weeping, why he is so much attached. And then he also think at this age why Maman has taken a boyfriend, कि उसने उसको boyfriend को क्यों लिया. So that more so analysis of people's behavior at Maman's death. So that is also the death. That is also the thought of death from the very beginning. The novel starts with the death of the Maman, more so leave from the office, then attending the funeral, and then he is judging the people. वो himself judge कर रहा है, हर एक को देख रहा है कि why they are feeling grief, whether they are in reality attached to the mother, attached to the Maman, or just they are showing off. Then he goes to the priest also at the time of that funeral and asks certain question about the death from the priest. So death is present in the novel. It is like a character in the novel from the very beginning to the end. So after that funeral, when he comes back to his place, जब वो अपनी जगह पर वापिस आता है, that it is a 2-day break, it is the weekend, and then he decides a meeting with Mary, who is his girlfriend, and with Mary he goes to the cinema as he want to watch a movie. And when Mary saw Morso, she is quite astonished and surprised. वो Morso को देखकर बहुत हैरान होती है. Why? Mary is astonished at Morso's response towards his mother's death, because it is just 1 day after when she meets with Morso, and Morso he is willing to watch the movie. वो देखना चाहता है. After the death, वो किस वे से Morso को जज कर रही है? After the incident of the death of the mother, again from the viewpoint of the Maman's death, कि कोई भी आदमी अपनी मदर की डेथ के नेक्स्ट डे आकर फिल्म को नहीं देखेगा. बट मोरसो ही इज दैट, एज हमने पीछे डिस्कस किया है, उसका कैरेक्टर ऐसा है, ही इज नॉट अ हिपोक्रेट. वो जो उसका मन करता है, ही डू द थिंग्स, वो वही कामों को करता है. तो अगेन दैट एट दैट टाइम व्हेन ही कम्स टू वॉच द मूवी, he was wearing a small black tie. Then Mary asked the question, why you are wearing that black tie? And he says that to express my mourning, कि I am mourning at the death of my mother. तो the contradictory, कि एक तरफ वो ये कह रहा है कि उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, दूसरी तरफ वो क्या कर रहा है, एक टाई को वियर कर रहा है, और तीसरी बात वो क्या कर रहा है कि ही इज कमिंग टू वॉच अ मूवी. तो तीनों चीजें साथ साथ चल रही हैं, बट इन तीनों के बैकग्राउंड में क्या है? द डेथ. हम हर चीज को कहाँ से जज कर रहे हैं? फ्रॉम द व्यू पॉइंट फ्रॉम दैट हिज बिहेवियर towards his mother death. So death is a prominent theme in the novel, बहुत prominent है. Then after that break, after the weekend, then there is the Monday, and more so he goes back to the office, and there in the office he met with the boss. And when boss come to know that Morso's mother had died, वो मर चुकी है, he expresses his grief, he expresses that he feels sorry for the death of the Maman. But Morso, he does not show anything, he does not respond to the emotion of the boss. वो अच्छे से respond नहीं करता और boss को भी ये लगता है perhaps he has come over from the death of his mother, कि उसके दिल से वो जो दुख के भाग है वो उनसे ऊपर आ चुका है. And after that he do not ask anything, he do not say anything about the death of the Maman. So again that boss he judge Morso. कहाँ से इसको judge कर रहा है? Again the behavior Morso show, the emotion Morso show for the death of his mother. So again the death is very important. तो हमने कहाँ से start किया? When the very beginning, जहाँ से प्ले ओपन होता है. देन द पार्ट फर्स्ट पार्ट कम्स टू एन एंड, और वो कम किस तरह खत्म हो रहा है? अगेन विद द डेथ ऑफ द अरब. अगेन द डेथ. मोरसो ही मीट्स विद हिज फ्रेंड रेमंड एंड दैट सलमानो and that Mary, they goes on the sea beach. तो वो आप पूरा उसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं. How Raymond he treats his girlfriend, Arab girlfriend, and that he slaps his Arab girlfriend, and in order to take the revenge, his brother comes and there was a quarrel between the Raymond and the Arab, and Arab hits Raymond. Morso took the pistol of the Raymond as he wanted to take revenge. Not you can say clearly revenge. उसमें revenge भी word नहीं है novel के अंदर, because Morso himself say I do not know why I shoot Arab, कि मैंने उसे क्यों मारा मुझे खुद भी पता नहीं है. So that he shoots one fire on the Arab, and after that he shoots 4 times on the Arab, and that results in the death of the Arab, and that gives birth the next part of the novel. तो first part 1 जो है हमारा वो end कहाँ पर हो रहा है? That the death of the Arab. So again the death is a very important theme in the novel. That there is the, at least you can say, the 10 incident in the book, 10 incident in the novel that are related to the theme of death, where the characters directly or indirectly speaking about the death or their behavior is motivated by this, the psychology that ultimately they have to die, and death is the truth, final truth of the life. Then our second part start. तो second part किससे start हो रहा है? With the trial of the Morso. And why there is the trial of the Morso? क्यों हो रहा है उसका ट्रायल? Because he killed an Arab. और क्यों हो रहा है? Because it is Morso who shoot the Arab, and he is responsible for the death of the Arab, for the killing of the Arab. So when the trial start, magistrate reaction towards Morso's killing of Arab and Morso mother death. तो दोनों चीजें साथ साथ चलेंगी, दोनों चीजें पैरेलल चलती हैं ट्रायल सीन के अंदर. मैजिस्ट्रेट ही इज जजिंग Morso. Morso के कैरेक्टर को जज किया जा रहा है. किस तरीके से? उसकी खुद की पर्सनैलिटी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. द वे ही रिएक्टेड, ही शोन हिज इमोशन एट द डेथ ऑफ Maman. तो one again death, and secondly why he is being trial, why he is being held guilty, because that he had not shown proper emotion as the society demand at the death of the Maman, and secondly that he killed Arab, and that's why he is here. तो जो again जो death है वो important है, क्योंकि हर इवेंट जो है हमारे नॉवल की, हर एक्शन जो है हमारे नॉवल का, इट इज गेट मोटिवेटेड बाय द थीम ऑफ डेथ. तो डेथ की वजह से ही पूरी स्टोरी आगे मूव कर रही है. देन द ट्रायल इज गोइंग ऑन, और द सोसाइटी, द मीडिया, हर कोई मोरसो को जज कर रहा है. किस तरीके से जज कर रहा है? नॉट दैट ही किल्ड अरब, बट द बिहेवियर ही शोन एट द डेथ of the Maman, at the death of his mother. Then the newspaper clipping about the death. As the novel proceeds, at the trial scene is going on, there is the media that is publishing everyday article about the Morso, and everyday article what is appearing, how Morso reacted towards his mother death, how Morso killed Arab, how he shoot one time and then the fourth time. So that the story में बार बार क्या इवेंट्स आ रही हैं, वही न्यूज़पेपर भी यही बता रहा है कि डेथ जो है, थीम ऑफ डेथ, द कितनी बार उसको बोला जा रहा है, किस किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया जा रहा है. तो इवन फ्रॉम द न्यूज़पेपर, इवन फ्रॉम द मीडिया, दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. वो किसी और चीज की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो भी डेथ की ही बात कर रहे हैं. किस डेथ की बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे it is the death of Maman or it is the death of the Arab. So that's why death is a important theme as Camus presented into the novel. Then Morso's death sentence. So many a time magistrate that he says you should feel remorse, आपको remorse feel करना चाहिए. And he asked question that why he killed Arab. तो वो झूठ नहीं बोल पाता. He says that I don't know the reason why I shoot him. Then they says that you was not showing the proper kind of emotion at the death of the Maman, and that you was not weeping at that time. So that more so he just become in you can say not interested into his trial at all, because he thinks that nobody has the right to judge him. Society has no right to judge him, and that society is judging him for the thing which he did not committed. उन crimes के लिए, उन sins के लिए कि ट्रायल्स जो सीन है, इट इज अबाउट द अरब डेथ, और सोसाइटी उसे किस व्यू पॉइंट से जज कर रही है, फ्रॉम द व्यू पॉइंट ऑफ द मामन्स डेथ. तो दैट्स व्हाई वो अपने आप को जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाता, एंड अल्टीमेटली व्हाट हैपेंस, he is given death sentence and his execution will be performed publicly. तो again the theme of death. तो क्या उसे punishment मिल रही है, क्या उसको सजा मिल रही है, he is getting the punishment of death. तो उसके अंदर आप पूरा सीन बताएंगे किस लिए कैसे, और इस तरह से पूरे ट्रायल सीन को आप उसके अंदर नरेट करेंगे. Then the Morso thought of Mary's death, and when Morso was in the jail, that his time it was spending बहुत मुश्किल से गुजरता है. और कैसे गुजरता है, the first month was terrible. He just have a piece of paper, एक अखबार है उसके पास, एक मैगजीन है, and in that there was a story of Kazakh family. One member of the family returns and that he is being murdered. तो देखिए फिर से डेथ का थीम है कि एक कहानी भी पढ़ रहा है, तो उस कहानी के अंदर भी क्या है, स्टोरी ऑफ ए मैन दैट इज बीइंग किल्ड, दैट इज बीइंग मर्डर. तो उसके बाद उसकी पूरी फैमिली का मर्डर कर दिया जाता है, एंड एवरी डे Morso have nothing to read about, he just read the same story again and again and again. तो डेथ जो है उसके माउंट को पूरी तरह से ऑक्यूपाई कर रखा है, and that's why he indulges into the story. And then the another thing that happens to him in the jail, that Mary, she comes to meet him, that she comes to meet him one time or second time, but then she do not come, वापस नहीं आती है, only a letter from her side. तो उसकी तरफ से एक लेटर ही आता है कि jail authority they refused her to meet with Morso. Why? Because she is not married to Morso. And then when she do not come, Morso think about her, and then after some time as he forget the concept of time, समय ही भूल जाता है, उसकी जिंदगी किसमें सिमट कर रह गई है, his life just limited by the yesterday, tomorrow and present. तो इन्हीं में चल रही है उसकी जिंदगी, और उसे लगता है कि मैरी जो है perhaps she is dead now, शायद वो भी मर चुकी है. तो मोर्सो फिर से किसकी डेथ है, कभी वो मदर की डेथ को सोच रहा है, कभी वो मैरी की डेथ को सोच रहा है, एंड देन ही थिंक्स अबाउट हिज ओन डेथ. बार बार वो अपनी डेथ के बारे में सोचता है. एवरी डे इन द जेल, जेल में हर दिन उसका किस थॉट के साथ, इन द एवरी नाइट ही वेक अप, he count the stars, और उसे लगता है जब सुबह होगी that he will be taken for the execution, उसे execution के लिए ले जाया जाएगा. तो every day every single day in the jail that is being filled with the thought of death. हर रोज उसका एक ही विचार है, आज रात सोऊंगा और अगले दिन सुबह मुझे ये लोग हैंग करने के लिए मुझे ले जाएंगे. तो डेथ डेथ डेथ. तो पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 1 से भी ज्यादा जो है, इट इज द पार्ट 2 that is being filled with the thought of death. Last is the chaplain preaching. Chaplain comes to the Morso into the jail, और वो उसे ये कहना चाहता है कि जो डेथ है इट इज नॉट द अल्टीमेट एंड, और उसके बाद भी देयर इज द लाइफ एंड ही शुड हैव फेथ इन द गॉड. उसे भगवान में विश्वास करना चाहिए. ही शुड बिलीव इनटू द birth and rebirth. So chaplain and Morso episode, it also filled with the top of the death. Although Morso, he do not believe chaplain, rather he feel agitated and be angry again and again his reference of the god, and he just grabbed the neck of the chaplain that is being saved by the guards there. Then there is the finally the last scene, it is the Morso and Morso's thought of his execution. तो रात को सोच रहा है कि the next day he will be taken to the that publicly he will be his execution will be public there, and the only wish he want or the only thing he want, जो केवल उसे चाहिए चीज अपने execution के time में, he just want a large crowd to see his execution, कि बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारी public जो है उसके execution को देखने के लिए आए. तो the theme that the theme of death, it is very prominent into the Albert Camus, the outsider. तो death को जो कामू है, what is his major idea? He just want to show that human being are mortals, we are destined to be dead. हमारी जो death होनी ही होनी है, and this life is absurd, और ये जिंदगी हमारी absurd है. Like Sisyphus, we have to live our day-to-day routine. We have to perform our day-to-day action with the very idea that one day we are going to die. So that is an important theme that is presented by Albert Camus in his novel The Outsider.